Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Giovanni Austin of Radio 4. Today I'll be talking about mind-body relationship. This course on mind-body relationship is not a new occurrence in philosophy as an academic field of study. Hence, there are many complexities associated with the discourse. Various philosophers posit various positions with regard to mind-body relationship. A camp of philosophers posit that the mind and body are ontologically the same substance, while another camp of philosophers posit that mind and body are ontologically different substance. However, I think that these two submissions by these two camps of philosophers are not entirely correct. So I'm about to tell you what I think the mind is exactly. So sit back and relax as you watch the video. Thank you. Mind is consciousness, and this consciousness is born by knowledge, and as such, knowledge becomes the true essence of mind. So mind is the sum total of every information and knowledge stored in the brain. There is differences in various minds. My mind is different from your mind. Wallace's mind is different from Henry's mind. So, and these disparities and differences in mind is as a result of differences in the knowledge that make up these minds. So, you can say that mind is a continuous immaterial process and function of knowledge and information in the brain. When we talk about mind, we cannot remove personality from mind. This is because personality is an integral part of mind. Personality here has to do with the consciousness that informs the way a person acts, the way a person walks, the way a person talks, the way a person eats. Everything a person does that makes that person different from every other person. That is what personality is. And since personality is an integral part of the mind, it then means that mind is the immaterial personification of every information and knowledge in the brain. Now, the presence of consciousness indicates the presence of mind. Consciousness has to do with the ability or the act of knowing. Now, this knowing starts with knowing about oneself and then knowing about every other thing. You are first of all conscious about yourself, then conscious about the things around you. And as we all know, only a conscious person can think. But the act of thinking cannot be done outside information, outside knowledge. The brain, which is the faculty of thought, can only think by virtue of the information and knowledge stored in it. In other words, if there is no information and knowledge stored in the brain cannot think. So it is the same as saying that the brain thinks in information. The brain takes things in mind. So people, mind is nothing more and nothing less than the total information and knowledge stored up in the brain. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information on neurosciences, philosophy, fashion, and lifestyle. Thank you.